Hey guys, welcome to another property tour. Today we are in Pacific Highlands Ranch and I wanted to show you the property that I just helped my client close on it under ask with multiple offers. This is one of my favorite houses of this year because of the location. I mean, there's so many good things about this house. I met the sellers, the owners, very good people. So with that being said, this is the house that we just closed on and I want to tell you a little bit more about it. So as you might see, it is a very quiet neighborhood. We are in Pacific Highlands Ranch. The house has solar. It is super clean. I like the fact that they put turf in here. Gives it a little pop compared to some of the other houses here. But as you can see, it's very quiet. You have multiple rec centers here. The HOA is pretty low. It's just under $300. Let's close this door up. And funny enough, I was able to show this house to my client before it even hit the market. We put an offer, things did not work out. They put on the market and went into escrow. Buyer could not perform. So then my client came in and snagged it off for actually a better deal. This property was pending for the list price of $3.5 million. We got it for $3.45. So $50,000 plus some credit. But this is what the kitchen looks like. Very clean, open. The fact that this property is so open, I think is why my client really liked it. If you want to entertain, you can also entertain here too. And I almost forgot to mention that I have access to many off-market deals here, whether it's in Carmel Valley, Fairbanks Ranch, Del Mar. I just closed another one in Carmel Valley, Pacific Highlands Ranch, in the Highlands collection, off-market, completely off-market. And there was another one that we just closed on in Vista Santa Fe. I mean, look at this. This is so hard to find in Pacific Highlands Ranch. That much yard space if you want dogs, perfect space. The pool is currently covered, but there is a pool over here. There's also fountains. These features over here, they do come out. Super nice. Very clean. Personally, I would change this up right here, the countertops, but besides that, the house is extremely clean. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go upstairs and show you the master. So as you come up from the stairs, you have a little living room, but I did wanna show you this cute bedroom that was for one of the girls. Super cute and nice. But I think the real magic is in the master. I would say it's like my second or third favorite things. You got the shower. Dual sinks, super nice. You have the closet in here, plenty of space. And then the master, so in Carmel Valley, specifically in PHR, it is extremely hard to find a house that is not backing into another house. And this house has plenty of space. The view is great. That house right there sold for $5.3 million, single story. 4,800 square feet. So if you are spending, let's say $3.5 million, you're looking at people that spend $5+ million. That's Vista Santa Fe. We just sold the property over there off market, 4.21. Beautiful home. So as I mentioned, if you are looking to buy, sell, or invest, my name is Alex Trubnikov, and I specialize in off-market properties, whether it's in Carmel Valley, whether it's in Pacific Highlands Ranch, Ranch Santa Fe, Fairbanks, Del Mar, Solana Beach. I have access to multiple off-market deals. If you cannot find what you're looking for, feel free to contact me. Text me, call me, email me, and I would love to show you what I have off-market. With that being said, it was a great day. We just closed on this not too long ago. I got my client a honey cake, and he's super excited for me giving him the keys. He doesn't know that I got him a little cake. And you know what, I'll show it to you because why not? But I'm very happy with what I'm doing, taking care of people, doing a lot of magic behind closed doors. And this right here is the honey cake. So pretty much every client that closes with me, I like to be different. I like to be different, and I have a lady that does all of my bakery goods. She's very healthy. It's not any of the, red 40 and all those bad ingredients. She's very clean ingredients. It's not as heavy, it's not as sweet, and it's delicious. So, with that being said, been chit-chatting too long. Love this living room. Until the next property I sell, the next property tour that I show you. And yeah, I'm just so happy. До свидания.